So welcome to day 4 of cohort number 2 of Pathfinders online training. I'm digging the hats. David, where's your crazy hat? You always have one that's, there you go. So we're going to start off the morning with the thumbs. How are we doing? All right. Mostly thumbs up.
The beginning of mission 5. So this is Dunder name. You gotta have some fun with it. It's okay. Awesome. Oh, look at you. You're doing it. Mm-hmm.
Fingers and ouchie. Is that a technical term or
yeah.
Is there going to be a test on that?
And we're going to turn this into a theremin. Are there any Big Bang Theory fans out there like me?
We have to wait till it's blue. Then we're going to let it escape.
It worked. Yay. And now it's your turn.
Anybody who has a need, please email me.
What about my needs?
No, you don't count. I'm sorry. All in favor of David's needs mattering, raise your hand.
You haven't heard my needs yet.
We have needs, and our need is to get to mission 7. So everybody do a quick refresh and move on. Who am I teaching? What am I teaching? How will I do it?
All right, you got those thumbs warmed up? Got them warmed up? Where are we today? Okay, I like seeing 2 thumbs up too. All right, pretty exciting, isn't it? Bye, everybody. You rock.
See everyone tomorrow.
You guys rock.
Who's that?
Mwah. I'll pay you later.
Okay.